Ciao world, I have found this Antonelli keyboard in the junk a few times ago. It's Comet 2616 and it's broken, and I've decided to repair this keyboard because the touch is good. Antonelli built the keyboard for the beginners years ago, and it's an Italian manufacturer, and so I decided to repair this keyboard. Also, I have built the stand for the keyboard that I don't found, and now let's hear how does it sound once repaired, and I'll show you all the process of the repair that goes behind this keyboard. Okay, this is the finished product, and it has rhythms, accompaniment, solo, preset and effect. And on the rhythms, I let you hear some of the rhythms we have. We have waltz and the tempo here, tango, swing, march, slow rock, slow, funky, disco, rock, bossa nova, samba, reggae. Okay, also we can split the keyboard like so. I have bass and chord here. Now it's only bass, and now it's only chord. And on the right I have this solo, and even on the solo I can set which trace to run, like the flute 16, flute 8, flute 4, only flute 4, percussion, brass, and string. When I set per set, doesn't matter what I have here. This change and goes to the preset. And this is the piano, this is the vibes. You can hear sort of phaser, and the pan flute. Then you have some effects here, like the sustain, you can hear on the piano, long sustain, the vibrato is on, let's hear this on flute. With the delay and the phaser. You can hear the phaser. Sounds pretty good. Okay, this is how it looks out of the junk. This is an Antonelli design, and I don't know if it works or not. The keyboard is okay, but the wood is not okay, and the case is not okay. Let's see if it works. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see if it works. No, it doesn't work. Okay, let's find why it doesn't work. Okay, it works. I have changed the fuse and the fuse holder that you can find here. I have made a first clean, but I have to clean it a little bit more. I have cleaned the contacts of the key because it doesn't work. I have made some adjustment to the keyboard. Let me close this. Let me see if I am able to close this. Okay, I have changed the speaker. Now I put this old speaker, but it doesn't sound pretty good, so I'm going to change this with a better one. Where you see this plastic here, there were some drill and a secondary speaker that wasn't of the original keyboard, so I have replaced this and covered this with this plastic that I have around, and I'm going to fix it a little better and also clean it more. I have fixed the wood here and around the keyboard, and if I power this on, okay, you can see the ride already works. And let me, okay, what's that? Oh, this. It works. This is a little update. I have cleaned it all up again, and now all is clean and good. And also I have changed the speaker. I have found this speaker and with a high and a woofer, and I have changed the plastic that I put here with something more linear with the period of this keyboard. Also I have tied the cable with some wire like they do, I think, in the 60s, and on the bottom you can see there is no plastic but this piece of wood with text. And now we have to finish this. I think it's finished. I have built the base with those pieces of wood that came from a wardrobe. And it's built like this: 1, 2, and 3 pieces, and those 2 pieces of wood to retain the keyboard. And I have also built this stand, touched with those screws, and the wood now is okay, and all the contacts are good, and it works, and it's pretty good now.